What is up, TikTok? We are about to go live. Well, we are live, but we're about to go real live when people start to join. So I'm gonna wait till people join. Until then, the market it's kind of choppy today. This is what we call chop. Chop in the market. The Dow's up 211. The Nasdaq's of it. It kept hitting that level, Finally, it broke through, and now it's back up through. So hopefully this could be a breakout. I don't think so. It needs to have some follow through. By the way, in crypto, we had some follow through this weekend. Clearly, we're stronger on Friday than we are on Sundays, and then Monday, everybody just came in and rode the wave up, and now Bitcoin is approximately right this second at 44.3. Now, 44.3, there is some resistance. It's not big resistance. 41K was the big resistance, just like 29K for Ethereum was the big resistance. We broke through that. Now we're looking at about 3,200, and guess where we're at? 3177. So 3,200. It's probably going to bounce off of that a little bit. There's not that much. I'm not concerned about that level more than I was the 3,000 level, but just psychologically, really the key level in Ethereum is now 3,600. Just so you know, you'll see 32, but really the key saying the resistance is 47. Let me tell you why there's resistance at 47. It's not on the charts. You need to hear this. It's not on the charts. Short-term holders get positive, right? Get positive at $47,000, okay? In Bitcoin, at 47,000, they get positive, right? And when retail investors, which I was one for a long time, still am really, but at 47, all that's awesome, they say, I'm down, I'm never, and finally they get back to level, to zero. I have no losses. What's the first instinct that you or me or anybody else have? Oh, I'm back to barely positive. What are you doing? You're going to sell it, right? You're going to sell it, right? Because you're back to positive. And that's the wrong move. Wrong. You now have the momentum coming back from the 41. Now, I'd like to see a little bit more follow through. I'd like to see us. It seems that we had the follow through from Friday on Monday today, which is really good. So that is, right? That's the problem. And so when they get back to even, what do? The first thing they do is sell. Wrong. It cannot be more wrong. You are now riding it up. You're moving through the 47. Why don't you just hang on to it? Just see it. And then once it gets past the 47, the first dip you see, boom, then sell. Don't sell right at 47,000. Makes no sense. You now have inertia going up, right? And the inertia, the math is taking you higher right now. What really happened where we got here is that we squeezed. There were a lot of shorts, not a lot, but there were like 100 million shorts at the 41 level that squeezed. Some squeezed on Friday, then through the weekend, and now boom. Today for sure they squeezed. Could not cover positions today. I wonder what the open interest is right now. Let me look at that really quick. Current market 1,000. Now we've broken through. Now becomes support. Now, right? It was resistance. Now it's support again, right? So that's good. It's good for all crypto. Right? Again, Ethereum and Bitcoin, as long as Ethereum's above 32, really above 3,000, I'd say if I'm really getting, honest with you, I'd say 2,900, but you're above 3,000 psychological and you're above 41 in Bitcoin. We're good for now, right? Next level of interest in Ethereum, like I said, is going to be 3,600. In Bitcoin, where we get real long is 53,000. We got a long way to go. I said that on Friday? No, I have not gone lost since Wednesday because we were snowed in on. I was at home with the kiddo on Thursday and Friday of last week. So did not go live. So last time you heard that was Wednesday. If you're on my lives, quite a bit. So let's go. TM up. 90% was up 103 this morning. Shiba really doing well. I had a story about Shiba today. It looks like they're going to have they're going from they have I want to say is it a DEX? Whatever it is, there's a big product coming out on the main net on Shiba, and that's why Shiba's up big. Congratulations, you're up 50% right now. So we could look at the chart on Shiba very quickly and see. I believe I did this 20. I think 28 is the resistance, 0.0028, and I believe 0.023 or 24 is the support now. But let me get it to you straight. Let me get right to it. Here we go. Yeah, that's where the resistance there. I mean, if I'm going short term, which I should go, right? They're saying that 28, 29 it is resistance. But here's where I get long in Shiba. It's real close, man. Crypto or your stock is above the first half highs of last year. Typically in stocks, that was in February or March. In crypto, it was either February, March, April, and really May, right? If you're above those first half highs, going back to last year, bam, you're in a good crypto. Again, we're buying high, we're selling higher. We got to see the follow through. Get to the follow through, buy the breakout of the follow through, right? That's a very, very, that's what some people miss, right? Oh, I'm buying the breakout. Well, that's fine, but you still need two nice green daily candles. There's really a formula to it. If it goes up for 4 green days, as long as the volume is at or increasing, and you don't have the market go down more than 1.5%, I think that's what they call follow through, right? So that's not my follow through, but that's what an expert would tell you. So there you go. I appreciate you guys being here. Really quick, what is trending on Reddit as far as crypto goes? Shiba's not much. I got into yield nodes. I bought a strong node finally. Got 100 days till that pays off. So we'll see. I got a mining NFT. Titano I got in. What else am I doing? Rally, I'm in a couple of Bored Apes, right? But I just own a fraction, so whatever. But that's what's going on with me. What else is going on today? Just so we know what are the whales doing today? We have Monday. We have a couple of buys. We got quite a few buys. So it's just Bitcoin and Ethereum is really what, if you've never used unusual whales, you might use unusual whales at some point. It will tell you the big buys on their crypto timeline. Ethereum real quick. Ethereum's got above 2.5. They've got on Monday 5, 10, maybe 20. So, but again, that's the USD, right? So clearly you're going to have less. So, all right. What do you guys want to see as far as TA? Let's go to the TA. What are stocks? The stocks. So just so you know, my USL, my CDX, not CSX and not CDS, but CVX. It's Chevron are printing. If I am long in calls in Chevron, CVX, as long as crude stays above 86, really 88 to me. It's at 92 right now. Their banks have crude oil. I know it's boring. Crude oil is going. It looks like banks have a. Now this is before the second half of the year too. It should be above 8. Both of those are up almost 100. Well, one's over 100 and one's at 88% up. My CVX 135 call on 225 up 200%. And I just got that one less than a month ago. So feeling good about it. How do you feel about crypto, metaverse, hyperverse? I like to call it the multiverse. What do you think about the bubble we're in? I don't think we're in a bubble. I think that I think where we are is where we are, right? I don't know if there's bubbles, and bubbles can be good, by the way. Bubbles are good. because it just keeps going up until it doesn't, right? You just got to know how to manage the position, right? So clearly, stocks are not in a bubble. Point is that we're becoming uncorrelated. So bubbles can be good. You just got to know how to play them, right? It's what's working. So in the equities market, what's working right now? Energy, financials, commodities. I know we haven't even talked about commodities since what, 2004? Really 2006. We hadn't even talked about commodities, right? So a lot of you guys have not even been, really had exposure to them. So, but as far as the multiverse, metaverse, clearly, I think the Central Land's number 1, Sandbox number 2, and Crypto Voxel number 3, right? Crypto Voxel right now seems way early, right? If you've been in there, you don't need, you can just go right in as a guest, right? It just seems like there's nobody there. It's just dead. It's barren. But I think you can buy bigger plots of land in there. I think it's 513 feet versus, fact check me on this, the Central Land's like 53. It's like 50 by 50, but it's like 53 by 53. I think the Sandbox is fairly small too. So all right, let's get it.